Welcome to the e-learning course on trusts. In this course, we will explore the fundamental concept of a trust and delve into its various aspects. A trust is a legal arrangement that allows individuals or entities to protect and manage their assets for the benefit of others. It serves as a powerful tool for estate planning, asset protection, and charitable giving. Understanding trusts is crucial for individuals, families, and businesses seeking to preserve and distribute wealth, ensure financial security, and achieve specific objectives. Throughout this course, we will discuss the key participants in a trust, such as the trustor, trustee, and beneficiaries. We will explore the different types of trusts, including revocable and irrevocable trusts, Coogan trusts, and special needs trusts. Each type has its unique features and purposes, catering to specific needs and goals. Additionally, we will examine the essential elements and legal requirements of a trust, including the creation and administration process. You will gain insights into the responsibilities and duties of trustees, as well as the rights and entitlements of beneficiaries. Whether you are an individual planning your estate, a business owner looking to protect your assets, or simply interested in learning about trusts, this course will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the concept and its significance. By the end of this learning journey, you will be equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions and navigate the world of trusts confidently. Let's embark on this educational adventure to unlock the intricacies of trusts and discover how they can shape financial landscapes and benefit individuals and society as a whole. What is a trust account? A trust is a legal arrangement under which one or more persons or trustees controls property given by another person, grantor, settlor, or trustor, for the benefit of a third person, beneficiary. A trust is a device where legal title to the property and the right to control it are separated from the rights to receive benefits from it. A trust can have a formal valid legal document called a trust agreement, formal trust. A trust is a legal entity with the same powers as a person. Now let's discuss the parties to trust, i.e., a person or people forming one side in an agreement or dispute. The parties of a trust are as follows. The grantor, aka settlor or trustor, is the person who creates the trust. Grantors cannot conduct transactions for the trust. They simply govern how the trust should run and who should run it. The trustee is the person who manages the trust. The trustee can, but will not necessarily, be the same person as the grantor. In an irrevocable trust, the grantor and trustee will not be the same person. Trustees do not set the specific rules for the trust, nor can they change the individuals involved with the trust. They are simply the ones acting as or for the trust. The fiduciary is the person or person opening and responsible for handling the funds in the accounts, same as trustee. The fiduciary's duty is to conduct business on the accounts in the best interest of the beneficiary or beneficiaries. Successor trustee is the person the grantor names to take over as trustee in the event of the trustee's death or in the event of the resignation or incapacity of the trustee. A successor trustee cannot make changes to the trust. Both a successor trustee and a trustee of an irrevocable trust are strictly serving in a fiduciary capacity. The beneficiary of a trust is a person or organization who is legally entitled to receive property under a trust. A primary beneficiary is a person who will benefit from the trust. An alternate beneficiary is a person who inherits property if a primary beneficiary dies before the person who created the trust. The residuary beneficiary of a trust for one person is that beneficiary who receives any trust property not otherwise given away by the trust document. What is a living trust? A living trust is a trust created by the settlor during his/her lifetime. The settlor may also serve as trustee. A living trust can be either revocable or irrevocable. A living trust is often utilized as a form of estate planning. A living trust avoids probate and therefore gets assets distributed significantly more quickly than a will does. Additionally, trusts are usually harder to contest than wills. On the downside, a living trust takes longer to put together than a will, and requires more ongoing maintenance. Although both a will and a living trust can be modified or revoked at any time before death, such changes are slightly more time-consuming for a living trust. Additionally, assets that a person wants to move to a living trust, such as real estate and bank or brokerage accounts, have to be retitled.